Hey home cooks, welcome back to Gregcipes. Today I'm making garlic mashed potatoes. In this recipe we're going to amp up our mashed potatoes by adding in some roasted garlic, which is something that is delicious and amazing. You should make and use it as often as you can. So I'm going to show you how to make it. The first thing we're going to do is roast our garlic. I've got my oven preheated to 400 degrees and I'm just going to take a couple cloves of garlic that I've taken most of the papery skin off but left the cloves all attached to each other, and I'm going to cut the top off of it so that all of the centers of the garlic are exposed. Next we're going to put some salt, pepper, and olive oil on our exposed garlic and wrap it up in foil. Now we just have to put these in the oven and leave them in there for about 45 minutes to an hour until they're soft and nicely colored. Now we can get started on the potatoes. First we're going to wash and peel about 3 pounds of potatoes. We're going to chop the potatoes up into nice big chunks and put them all into a big pot. Next we're going to fill the pot with water, covering the potatoes with about 1 inch of water. Now we just have to bring it up to a boil and don't forget to salt the water. After about 10 minutes, the potatoes should be tender enough to pierce with a fork without resistance, and we can just go ahead and drain them. Next we're going to heat up but not boil about a cup of heavy cream. Now we're going to combine the hot milk, the potatoes, and about 1/4 cup of softened butter in a big bowl and just mash it up. We're also obviously going to add some salt and pepper. And of course, we have to mash in our roasted garlic. The last thing I'm going to do is chop up some chives and add those in too, just for a little extra color and flavor. So you may notice that I still have big chunks of garlic in my potatoes. I like that, but if you don't want that to happen, just pre-smush the garlic before you put it in with the potatoes, and then it'll be a lot smoother. And there you have it, garlic mashed potatoes. Alright, as always, let's take a bite. The potatoes are nice and fluffy. The garlic flavor is really coming through. That came out really good. I hope you make it for yourself and enjoy. And if you enjoyed this video, remember to subscribe for new Gregcipes every Tuesday. Mashed potatoes recipe. I can't say mashed potatoes as often as you should. So I've got my oven preheated to 45. All the... What?
You did your chin thing.